Veltlekhe literally translates as worldly, although it is used as secular. Now, secular today seems to have a pejorative connotation, whereas in their day and in our day, it certainly didn't. Because if you take a look at the Zionist organizations, the youth movements, there was no question about their commitment to Jewish life and to Jewish culture and to Jewish identity. It just was, in a way, different than the traditional life had been. And it certainly didn't start here. It started, as you know, in Europe, and it was a very, very rich life. There's no doubt about it. Today, I think the big difference is that the previous generations who made the choice to live as Veltlekhe Yidden were very Jewishly knowledgeable, were educated, were committed through their involvement in various youth groups and summer camps and various organizations. And so the choices that they made to leave traditional Jewish life were based on having experienced it and having alternatives. Today, many Jews are secular because they don't know anything. They don't know anything different. And so secular is not necessarily a commitment to Jewish identity and Jewish cultural existence. It means non-religious, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything else for many people.